Hi, I'm Lucy Hutchins, the Events Director of Asian Import Network. Today I will share a recipe with you. As you can see, I got steak here. You're right, we're going to make a steak. So we're going to make a special steak. So it's called a restaurant-style steak. I learned this recipe from one of my friends. I tried it many times. I really love it. So I thought I'd share with you guys. Hope you like it too. Try it at home. Let me know what you will like. If you have other recipes better than this, please feel free to share with us. So the ingredients you need is very simple. Just butter and your favorite restaurant seasoning. My favorite one is Texas Roadhouse. You can buy this at Amazon or even Texas Roadhouse restaurant. Okay, first you need a ribeye steak. You can get it at any store. Okay, then you just put the seasoning on top of it. Rub in on both sides. Flip over. Do the same thing for the other side. Okay, so flip over this one. So then we put it back in the fridge, let it marinate for about 1 hour. You can do a little longer and just make the seasoning soak in more. Or if you run out of time, you can just put it in. Yeah, that's okay too, but just the seasoning didn't really stay inside very much. So 1 hour has already passed. Steak has been marinated. It's ready to cook. Okay, before I cook, I want to tell you what will be going on. First, I put the butter in the fry pan. I cook each side for about 2 minutes. It depends. For 2 minutes just for rare. Then I put in the air fryer for about 2 minutes on each side just for rare. If you want a medium rare, so I put it on the pan for 3 minutes on each side, then 3 minutes in the air fryer, or you can do it in the oven if you don't have the air fryer at home. Okay, if you want to medium well, you do 4 minutes on each side and then put it in the air fryer for 4 minutes each side. Just 4, it's very simple. And then if you want it well, so you do 5 minutes on each side. Okay. In order to seal better, I use butter, as I showed in the ingredients. Let's get started. Okay. Butter. I put a 2 spoonfuls. The trick to this is you gotta let the pot get hot. Let the butter get melted, then put your steak in. So when the butter comes to the grease, then you put the steak in. Ready? Now put the steak in. So I set a timer for 4 minutes. That's what. Get the brown look now. Almost ready.
That's what I like.
And Daddy will eat the big one. Let's eat the big one. Thank you, I will eat the little one. Okay? Good job. ready to put it in the air fryer. 4 minutes has already went by. So this one's done frying, ready for the air fryer. This one's a little bit thicker. I want to cook it 1 more minute or so.
Mama, Papa.
So I do.
Hi.
So I do 4 minutes.
Watch Mommy really good. I hope your kids like this. Come on, love it.
This one's done too.
Hi guys. I hope your kids like this a lot, cause I do too.
So let it cook for 4 minutes. 4 minutes has already went by.
Yes, 4 minutes has already went by, and it's getting close to the best part. We get to eat the steak.
Yeah, you're right, Benjamin. 4 minutes has already went by. Steaks are done. So
The best part is coming. You see my hand.
Now let me carve them up. See? So this one is more like medium rare. That's the way Jack likes it, right? Do you like this way or you want to open down?
All right, hold it right there.
Do you like
see
it?
Yeah, it looks good.
Looks good? Okay. So Franklin, you like it medium well, right?
Hold it up. I can't get down that low.
So this is medium well.
I want to try.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to taste it.
You want to taste it? Okay, sure. So,
I'm going.
yep, so we're ready to dig in.
That's really good.
Yeah, my son, he loves my homemade steak. Try it at home. Hope your family likes it
And
too.
Mom messed up something. When she said restaurant, it's hotel.
Oh, okay. Franklin calls hotel style steak.
It is a hotel style steak.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Bye for now. I'll share more recipe with you next time.